Hello everyone, I am Syed Khalid Hussain Shah. My name is Khalid Expert on Discord. If you go on StrongHands Masternode Discord server, you can see my name here in technical support, right? So today I'm going to tell you how to download the StrongHands wallet and install it. First of all, you go and open the website www.stronghands.info. When you open the website, you can see the details of the coin, and here you can see the social media icons: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Discord, etc. There you can, if you want, you can join our social media platforms and ask for help and join the community. And if you scroll down, you can see the wallets. There are the operating systems: Windows 32, Mac, Windows 64-bit, and paper wallet. Because I have Windows 32-bit installed on my computer, so I will click on Windows 32-bit and I will download the wallet, right? So downloading is started and it will take a while. Meanwhile, we can see the specs of the coin. SHND coin, StrongHands coin, actually POS algorithm, proof of work algorithm, SHA-256D, and its total supply is, you can see, 16 trillion. Block time is 2.5 minutes, and proof of stake required is 250,000 coins per block. Proof of stake age is 30 days, and P2P port is 6901, right? So if you want to see the price of the coin, you can go to CoinMarketCap and you can search the ticker of StrongHands SHND. You can click on it and you can see the dollar and BTC price. Here you can see its price in dollar and BTC, right? So if you want to see the exchanges on which it is being traded, you can click on the markets and you can see all the exchanges on which SHND is being traded, right? So let's start and install the wallet. Here we can see the downloading file. We can click and extract. When you extract the file, it will give you a wallet exe file. First of all, you need to add the nodes before opening the wallet so that it can synchronize with the server. So in start, you will type person app data. This is a hidden folder in your Windows. When you click on it, it will give you a folder. When you start your wallet first time, it will create a folder. Start your wallet. It will take a while to load the wallet. Let's wait. When your wallet is loaded, you can see there is no synchronization, right? So to synchronize the wallet, you will go on the app data folder. Here you can see now StrongHands folder. When you click on it, here you will find stronghands.configuration file, right? So you will double click on it. Here you can see some already added nodes. You can select Ctrl A and delete and go to the Discord server, and from master node Discord server there is a SHND add node list, right? So you just copy all the add nodes and staking equal to 1 to stake the coins. Right click, copy, and paste in the configuration file. Save the configuration file and close. After doing it, just shut down your wallet. Click on exit. This will shut down your wallet and restart the wallet. It will start synchronizing.